They're the voices which reverberate throughout each showground. This is the work of a show ring announcer, delivering the action and education to crowds around the grounds.
When you go to your local ag show, there's so much going on. There's competitions for cakes, for cattle, for horses, for poultry, for alpacas, for goats, for sheep. It's all going on, right? The show ring announcer is the conduit that links all of that together.
A role that's gradually become a struggle for local shows to fill.
When tight and pull the rail on the land.
Typically, at your local show, there's a stately gentleman who was maybe a stock and station agent back in the day, who's been commentating for 30 years, but he might be getting close to retirement. That's a pretty common story for ag shows.
But now there's a school for the next generation. This is the first ever in-person show ring announcer academy workshop run out of Dubbo.
People travelled from all around the state to learn a bit about what they need to do to pick up the mic and practice.
From calling wheelie bin races...
And here comes Steve. Steve has now picked the bin up. I do not think that is how you carry a wheelie bin, especially not in this race here tonight.
Commentating dashhound competitions.
Coming up first. Oh, no one knows what's happening. I don't think I've seen any more. There's wieners everywhere.
This is an experience to keep the traditions in local agricultural shows alive.
Oh, we have a rider off. We have a rider off. Jody Nelson Gleeson, 2 dads, has come off Blondie. We have a loose horse there.
Hamish Southwell, 7 News.